men of Jacob's Farm do a lot of work. From a humble beginning in a simple shack, really, they have done their daily chores. That means growing their own food, their own crops, watermelon, zucchini, everything. And their own chickens, their own pigs. Everything that they eat, they grow, they raise. They've also raised the roofs on a new building for more men who brought new skills, who taught the other men, who are completing a new house and a new water tower that'll supply water from the rain in a cistern using gravity to irrigate their crops, so they'll no longer need the diesel for the diesel generator to run the pump. In this band of brothers, everyone works, everyone pitches in, everyone. And yes, it's hard work. Day in, day out, it's 12 up and it's 12 down. Going off the farm, doing work in the community, like planting trees at the Unity Church, sharing the truth about crack at Orange Walk High School, plowing the fields so the crops can grow, and not just to feed themselves, the men on the farm, but to take to the marketplace in Belize City and sell, to sell door to door in our local village, Patchakan. But men have to eat, so food has to be prepared. The God-made food, not store-bought. And it is lovingly prepared with skill by one of the men. 3 square a day, every day. Every morning praying, every morning working, and then after a great lunch, it's time to get down to the work of the Spirit, the mind, the sessions that we have daily, working out what God has worked into each man. But on Sunday, even he rested, and so do we. Attending services in our local village church in Patchakan and Belize City, where the homeless are served. We thank God for making us a band of brothers, for Him working on us, in us, and through us. To learn more about the men of Jacob's Farm, go to thebelizeproject.org. That's thebelizeproject.org. Or you can email mac@mackelton.com.